2019 Ram 3500 Laramie Longhorn Crew Cab 4x4 Dually Cummins HO. This 2019 Ram 3500 Laramie Longhorn Crew Cab 4x4 Longbox Dually is a fully loaded heavy-duty truck built to exceptional factory specifications, powered by the highly desirable 6.7-liter Cummins high-output turbo diesel engine, producing 1,000 pound-feet of torque, paired with the ASIN 6-speed automatic transmission, a 4.10 axle ratio, and the max tow package for outstanding towing and hauling capability. Finished in diamond black crystal pearl coat with a black and cattle tan Laramie Longhorn interior, it features premium leather bucket seats, an authentic wood and leather trim throughout the cabin. Equipment includes Uconnect 4C navigation with a 12-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 17-speaker Harman Kardon premium audio system, wireless charging, remote start, keyless go with proximity entry, power deployable running boards, power sunroof, heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, dual zone automatic climate control, memory seats, mirrors and pedals, and second row in-floor storage. Towing and technology features include the fifth wheel and gooseneck towing prep group with a 30,000-pound direct mount Mopar fifth wheel hitch, auto-level rear air suspension, surround view camera system, trailer reverse guidance, cargo view camera, trailer sway damping, and DOT certified roadside safety equipment. Safety and driver assist systems include adaptive cruise control with stop, full speed forward collision warning, plus blind spot and cross path detection, truck specific, park sense front and rear park assist, park view rear backup camera, electronic stability control, hill start assist, traction control, and a full multi-stage airbag system. Additional highlights include dual rear wheels, premium aluminum wheels with LT235/80R 17E all-season tires, clearance lamps, chrome tow hooks, chrome flat cab length side steps, and a 220 amp alternator. The original MSRP as equipped was $85,505, excluding tax, title, and registration, and the vehicle was manufactured to meet U.S. specifications.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit Truck and Van Outlet.